I've been long thinking about upgrading my messy, ugly, dirty, unfinished garage. That's why I've been keeping these old door panels for long enough that I almost forgot about them. The door panels are still in good shape after cleaning. All I need is some extra wood, like this 3/4 by 1.5 inch. Nice, smooth finish. They'll be used to construct the face panel. And some cheaper types like this, as they will be used as back-end supports. I started the project with the construction of face frames, measured twice and cut once. I laid out all the pieces to make sure everything is right. I decided to use pocket hole jig for the connecting method. For me, this is probably the most practical way for woodworking. Now it's time to line up with doors. Hey, looks like everything lines up pretty well. So my measurement was correct. Woohoo! So here are two old doors which I don't want to use for this project. So I will harvest some plywood out of it. This is pretty good 3/4 inch plywood, I think. And it's long. It's gonna be used for the back end of my cabinet. Cabinets will be 12-inch depth. So make sure I got 12-inch here, and then double check. It's 12-inch. Now I'm thinking about it because I'm gonna put this in over there. If I assemble everything before putting on, it's gonna be super heavy. I don't think I can do it on my own. So I think I will hang them on the wall piece by piece and eventually assemble them on the wall. Alright, so the frame is up. Now need to mount the face panel. However, door panels are pretty heavy. I was thinking if I mount the face panel first, then the doors, it'll be super heavy to hang the doors in the air and drill holes for the hinge. So instead of doing that, I think I should just drill holes, pre-drill holes, when they are flat on the floor. So I have nicely laid out all my door panels, put them in beautifully in the panel, and then I will drill the holes. Okay, so holes are pre-drilled. It's ready for the panel to go onto the frame. Let's do it. That was my first cabinet. I continued to work on the second one, on another side of the garage. This side of the wall is unfinished, so it involves some extra work. Wiring, installation, and the drywall. Hope my video will give you some ideas for your garage workshop conversion project with nice floating cabinets. Thank you for watching.